Yeah.
In 800 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
We're here. Hell yeah. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Let's get it going, boys. Say what's up, Joe.
What's up?
We're about to take the ABS fuse out so I can get fully cracking. Super stoked.
Yeah, you good? Wait, you have 3
Got
or 2
some
in your
snaps from
car.
my man right there.
All right.
It's my man Manelli Drifts. Yes, sir. We in here. Let's get it, man. First lap ever.
Yeah, man, this really number one.
Taking it easier on this first corner.
Okay.
Make sure you get this shit.
Okay, now I see why they was talking about the other dudes coming in hot like they was.
Yep.
Swing that shit. Oh, I like these little handles. I didn't even notice that. There you go.
Tried to hit Tokyo Drift on that ass.
Oh, that was nice. That's the one. Hey! Oh, you almost had it. That was clean. I was gonna say whip this one.
What the fuck is that?
What's that, a tire?
Hey, is anything hanging from the back?
You say you good?
Thank you. First lap. That was lit. That's lit. Fucking scared PJ pad. I'm on the track every time now. Yeah, nah, I'm taking it in.
That was a good round.
Thank you, man. Can you hang the phone out the window, see if you can see what it is? Yeah, I should probably stop.
This man don't care.
Bought this car to beat the f out of it, so.
And beat the fuck out of it. With the windshield wipers, okay. It's getting stormy in this bitch.
No, that's just the drip.
Boy, if you don't get...
That was smooth as fuck. I don't know if y'all caught that. Boy said, no, that's just the drip.
Oh, that was a weird noise.
Not like a buckle.
Actually, it's kind of going away.
Oh my God. Stop fucking lying.
Damn, if I could have pulled out of that.
See if I can get both.
Taking her in. That don't feel normal.
And we missed the action, but I got it here. I got the live footage.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
These nuts. Got him. Got him.
Well, guys and gals, she's making a funky noise. Diagnosing it, trying to figure it out. I thought my diff exploded or something by the noise it was making and the way my car was working, but found out my whole shit is loose. That's not it. So it looks like my day is over because, I mean, I want to be able to drive home. We're going to try to get it fixed. There's an AutoZone not too far. I'll keep you guys posted.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Well, there we have it, folks. Looks like my wheel hub is no longer. I'm gonna have to get a new one. I was able to get one solid lap in, one really solid lap. I threw my car how I really always wanted to, out of video games and everything. If anybody is interested in getting into the drift community, please do it.
Do it. Just do it. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it. Make your dreams come true. Just do it.
Take that leap. I was apprehensive because I didn't want something like this to happen, but I'm still going to be able to make it home just fine, God willing. And yeah, I'm going to be back out here for the next event. It's going to be a minor inconvenience for the, hub, but that's also a very relatively inexpensive fix for this car. Super stoked. My first day went great. I didn't crash. Yes. My car is broken, but not that broken. So I appreciate you guys for watching it. Hope that this inspired you guys. Hope that it gets you up and off the couch from playing the video games and out here doing the damn thing. But until this baby is back and cracking, I'm out for now. Peace. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.